Hey, I'm Emily Steffen, and I want to show you one of the coolest ways to lengthen anything. When we first moved into our house, we realized our ceilings were really tall, but we didn't have a lot of money to buy new curtains. So I decided to lengthen some of our curtains, but I didn't want there to be a raw edge on the back of it. So I'm going to show you what I did to lengthen it. So take the two pieces of fabric that you are going to use. The green was the curtain that I wanted to lengthen, and the white was the part that I was going to add. You will fold about 1/4 of an inch, half an inch, whatever you see desired, and press forward. And then you will fold and press the same width backwards on this material. And then iron the same towards the back. This is the magic in this hem, is you will lose your raw edges because you will be folding these two pieces together. So if you flip it over back here, there's no raw edge, and out here there is no raw edge. So I'm going to run a stitch across the top, which will be the top of this back, and then run a stitch across the bottom, and voila. And then flip it over and run a stitch across the top of the other color. So when you're done stitching, you will have a finished edge on the front side and a finished edge on the back side. And this is perfect for lengthening shirts or skirts, or of course the curtains that we had in our new home. And the reason why this is extra cool is that if you were to wash any item, you don't have any raw edges that will fray or come apart.